Hello students, so today we will start the 12th chapter of our book My English Reader for Standard 2. The name of the chapter is The Crow's Nest. The new words of the chapter are fight, cunning, holiday, rock, voice, rich. Fight means if there are two opposition party, they are quarreling about a matter. Next, cunning. Cunning means clever. Holiday, leaf. Rock, stone. Voice, sound. Reach, to go to our destination. Let's start reading the chapter. Kalu, the crow, lives in a nest. It is growing hot, so he goes for a holiday to another tree. A river flows near the tree. Kalu rows a boat in the river. He likes to work in the garden. He sows seeds in the garden. He mows the grass. So what is the name of the crow? The name of the crow is Kalu. Where does it live? It lives in a nest. So now it is summer season. As we all go to visit our relatives or visit any place during our summer vacation, like us, Kalu also wants to visit some another place in summer holidays. So he was going to visit another tree during the summer holidays. A river flows near the tree. You can see there is a tree and a river in front of the tree is flowing. Kalu rows the boat in the river. So what Kalu is doing? Kalu is rowing the boat. He likes to work in the garden. He sows seed in the garden. He mows the grass. That means Kalu just like gardening. Gardening is his hobby. He has a good time for 5 days. So Kalu was having a holiday of 5 days. After 5 days, as we all return or come back to our home, like this, Kalu is also coming back to his own nest. But what happened? When he comes to his own nest, that time he see that there is a green parrot with a red bow in his nest. Look at the picture. There is a parrot and the parrot is having a red bow around its neck. So that time Kalu says, "This is my nest." But the parrot replied, "But now I live in this nest." The crow gives a blow to the parrot. The parrot also gives a blow to the crow. There is a big fight. All the animals come to see the fight. The fox says, "Go to the king. He is sitting under the big rock. He knows what to do." So that time what happened? The crow just gave a blow to the parrot. In return, the parrot also gives a blow to the crow, and they just started to fight. All the animals come to watch the fight. They all were They all were fighting. They all were seeing what is going on over there. So that time there was a fox, and the fox advised them that go to the king. He is sitting under the big rock. He knows what to do. As we all know that fox is very clever. Fox is very cunning animals. So he advised the two birds to visit the king. He will be able to solve their problem. The two birds go to the big rock. The eyes of the cunning fox glow. He thinks, I will eat them, but I must go slow or they will fly away. So, the intention of the fox was to eat the birds. So, that's why he thought that I will go slow, otherwise the birds will fly away. When the birds reach the rock, they hear a voice saying, Come here and tell me your story. Since it was dark under the rock, the birds are not able to see the king. So, the fox was sitting under a rock and the place was very dark. So, when the two birds entered there, they were not able to see anything, not even the fox. As soon as the birds go near, the fox jumps on them and he kills and eats them. So, look at the picture, we can see that the fox killed the two birds and the fox ate them. So, let's start doing the exercise. Look at the picture and complete the incomplete word. There are 4 pictures in the page. First one, row the boat. R-O-W, row. Second, mow the seed. M-O-W, mow the seed. Mow means spreading the seeds. Grow the grass. And the last one, a red bow. The color of the bow is red. So now start answering the questions. Who is in Kalu's nest? A green parrot with a red bow is in Kalu's nest. A green, G-R-E-E-N, green parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot with, W-I-T-H, with a red, R-E-D, red, bow, B-O-W, bow, is, I-S, is in Kalu's, K-A-L-U''S, Kalu's nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Who comes to see the fight? All the animals come to see the fight. A-double-L, all, T-H-E, the animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals come, C-O-M-E, come, T-O-2-C, S-E-E-C, the fight, A-F-I-G-H-T, fight. Number C, who is cunning in the story? The fox is cunning in the story. The, T-H-E, the fox, F-O-X, fox, is, I-S, is cunning, C-U-N-N-I-N-G, cunning, I-N, in, T-H-E, the story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. What does the fox do to the two birds? The fox kill and eats the two birds. Okay, T-H-E, the F-O-X, fox, kill, K-I-L-L, kill, and eats, E-A-T-S, eats, the, T-H-E, the T-W-O-2, birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Put tick if the sentence is right and cross if it is wrong. Okay, so A, the parrot has a red bow. Tick, the parrot is living in Kalu's nest. Tick, the crow likes the parrot. Cross. The fox kisses the crow. Cross. The fox is kind to the birds. Cross. Next, write the opposites of the following words, choosing the correct one from the star. Hot, so cold. Give, take. Back, front. Day, night. Near, far. Sit, stand.